Now you have the ability to set a time zone for your dashboard. This new feature allows your business to manage the time zone settings on your dashboard. This has a lot of benefits. They might be simple, but they really matter. First of all, this is going to keep you consistent with your data display. Businesses can set the dashboard's time zone to their personal preference. This is going to increase reliability because now your business can trust the accuracy of the information presented. And this is going to improve control, providing flexibility to customize your dashboard time zone settings to best fit your needs and your preferences. A lot of us have business customers in all different time zones. Now you're able to set the dashboard to a single consistent time zone. This is going to ensure that all of your sales and customer data are aligned, making it easier for your business to analyze trends and manage your inventory and your appointments more effectively. Let me show you exactly where to make this edit. First, you're going to be in the dashboard. Then you are going to click on the kebab, which is the 3 upright dots, and you're going to select Manage Dashboard Time Zone. Now it's super simple. You're going to set the time zone very easily, and you're going to hit Save. The Dashboard Time Zone Management feature in the CRM offers a simple yet powerful way for you as a user to ensure consistency and accuracy in your data, leading to improved productivity and decision-making. We hope you enjoy this feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.